You're in the street. Hey man, say man, back at y'all again today, man, with another video. I am on the way to Taipei, Taiwan from Austin, Texas. We have a long journey ahead of us. Let's see how it goes. All right, we are in the airport, Barbara Jordan Terminal. Time to go make our way to security. Got about an hour before our first flight takes off. We'll be going to San Francisco before we transfer over to our next plane to go from San Francisco all the way to Taipei, Taiwan. All right, we are gate number 29 and we are coming up on that here shortly on the right. We'll get on to the next flight, and then from the next flight we'll be going straight to Taipei, Taiwan. Looking for the G concourse. We got B, C, D, and E up there. Almost betting there's another section for international flights. Alright, after the wait, we are finally about to start boarding on the flight. Made it in, no issues. Got my stamp. We're here now in Taiwan at the Taoshan airport. We are going to go ahead and head over to the MRT. All right, guys, we did end up getting a SIM card, so now let's go ahead and get a ticket to Taipei main station. Boom. So this is our single journey. Let's go to this one here. Worthwhile. From here, let's go ahead and head to our hotel. Oh man, these metro systems, I'll tell you what, sure do beat the US. All right. Finally made it out of the train station and we're in the streets. Dope. So we have a Family Mart and a 7-Eleven here. Gotta love that. Caesar Metro. All right, guys, got a new battery in the GoPro, refresh, lock and loaded, and ready to go for the night market. So I'm gonna go walk out to a night market and see if I can catch one still in action. It's awesome. What's going on here? That's sick. Some like thin, plain black pants. A lot of fixed pricing here, so not too much haggling, which is good as well. Pretty cool, guys. A lot of fixed pricing. So that definitely helps. Oh, this is so cool. And it goes downstairs as well. Jackfruit. But that other street, it was cut off. Expensive over there just because they did it for the market. But you know what? A lot of different movies assorted there on that one. This chicken? Try one. One, please. You have change? Thank you, Chiche. That was delicious. How's it going, brother? What I got for the next one. Let's try to find a place to try these. So I do honestly need a wallet. Prices are a little high, you know what I mean? But I do kind of like those. Those are nice. These are, I mean, 12. And they have single packs for, bro, I found the wallet, 30. This market is awesome. Oh my god. Food section is always crazy. Alright guys, so for all my digital nomads out there, the lights in this hotel are awesome. We just got back from the night market, guys. Let's go ahead and open up these Wagyu legs. Harder to open than the American chips, that's for sure. That's very interesting. That's insane. So it's kind of hard to describe. Both the items of street food I had tonight, which were those mushrooms on that one skewer, and the other skewer was some chicken wrapped in chicken skin. Oh, that was so good. Both of those had the same seasoning as what these chips have in them. This, not bad. I wish it wasn't sweet, but if it was unsweetened green tea, it would be perfect. Last but absolutely not least, I guess we'll try the peach gum. Oh wow, not at all what I expected. Bottoms up. Okay. Wow. These are actually a peach gummy with a liquid peach filling. They're actually hollowed out on the inside. That's awesome. 9 out of 10. Alright guys, it's almost 5 a.m. here in Taiwan and I still haven't had any sleep. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching my first trip to Taiwan. I'll have several more videos for you in this series, but this was just my first day getting to Taiwan, straight out of the airport, what I did. Until next time guys, thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!